Welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Friday, and this Friday has all the makings of an amazing night. It is cold, it is dreary, people do not want to cook, but that's not what's happened. Right away, I've been waiting and waiting. The offers have been coming in. They're pummeling in, but they are really, really bad. There was one good trip radar with that Magic 11. I didn't get it, but I was declining. I was getting timed out. There was nothing good. I settled, and I wonder if you do that too. Sometimes you just want to get going. You take an offer you otherwise wouldn't take, but I took this one, $13.66 for 29 minutes. It's a restaurant that's typically ready, so that might get it down to 25, but it's going slightly out of my zone. I didn't want that. I wanted to stay in my zone. I wanted to pump out orders, but I want to get the night going, so let's go pick it up. Hi, Uber OFB F9? What? OFB F9, Uber? Great. Thank you.
New message from Michael S. Thanks very much, Kevin.
No problem. Just gotta snap a quick picture, if you don't mind. Sorry. Have a great night. Thank you. You're good. I really don't know what this Friday night's going to turn into. The offers are there. Well, the amount of offers are there, but the money is not there at all. I've just been declining. I don't know why the cheapskates are out, why people aren't tipping. Is this what's happening at the end of November? People don't want to tip because they're spending money elsewhere. We're a week away from Black Friday, and that's what you're doing? You're going to screw your Uber driver? I think that's probably what's happening. After a while and a bunch of timing out, I finally got this one for Papa John's, $9.53, 18 minutes. All right, sounds like a good offer. Let's go grab it. Hi, Uber Eats for Mike. Awesome. Glad it's ready. Thank you. Appreciate it.
And what were you waiting for, sir?
Have you ever had one of those nights that you were excited to go out, you were already pumped, ready to make some money, and the offers just suck? Well, I'm having one of those nights. I just keep getting bad offer after bad offer. There was a trip radar. I tried to get it. Denied. Did not get it. But I got this one, $7.05, 12 minutes. It's pretty close. It's a quick one. So I lowered my standards. I hate when I have to do that, but I just want to make some money. I'm out and just want to keep working. Hopefully it turns the tide. Let's go pick it up.
Coming up now.
Can you see if that's B021B?
Of course.
Perfect. Thank you. That last one was under 10 minutes. I talked about lowering my standards. That was not lowering my standards at all. If I can get something done in 8 minutes, $7, I'll take it. But I took this one. I didn't want to, but this night is brutal. $6, 14 minutes. Why the hell not? This night sucks. Might as well make something. Hi, Uber Eats for Shauna. Shauna. Yep, thank you. I wasn't too happy with that last offer being only $6 on such a bad night. I needed a big offer to get me going, but it's not that bad. It took about 8 minutes all in as well. $6 for 8 minutes. I think I'll take that all day, every day. I also took this one, which is a lot better. It's not blowing anybody out of the water by any means, but it's a good offer. $9, 7 cents, 7 kilometers, 18 minutes. Finally something decent. I'm really waiting for that $20, $30 offer. It's not coming. I'm not fooling anybody. It's not coming. Let's go grab it and keep the night going. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe to the video, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much. Hi, Uber Eats ABE96. Devin? Great, thank you. Yes, thank you. When I was picking up that Harvey's order, I noticed a sign that was addressed to all couriers. They were saying they're not going to give the trays for 1 drink orders. Now, in the summer, I don't think that's an issue. We're going into the winter. It's November. We're going to start seeing snow in this area soon, and you never know where you're delivering it to. If you're hand to customer, no problem. But if you have to place it somewhere, and there's a lot of snow and there's a lot of ice, trying to juggle a single drink, plus where you put it down. You could be putting it in snow. I don't think that's great. At least if you had it on a tray, you're protecting the drink a little bit. I'd love to know your comments on that. I don't really agree in the winter. Summer, knock yourself out. I don't even want a tray. It's more of an inconvenience at that point. But in the winter, I think I need to collect some extra trays so that I can deliver to the customers and give excellent customer service. And on this channel, I like to show you all the great things that I'm doing, but I'll even show you some of the mistakes. I'll be honest, I took this offer and it was a mistake. $8.66, 31 minutes. Why did I take it? I know I'm desperate tonight. When I was driving, I saw it come up and I thought it said 21 minutes. So I quickly took it and I thought, I hope I can grab it. I did, and then realized it's 31 minutes and over 20 kilometers. I didn't want to cancel because Uber's being so strict with cancellation. I didn't want another knock on my record. So I'm just going to do it. I'm going to suck it up, get the 866 and call it a day. Let's go grab it. It shouldn't take as long because it's popcorn. It's popcorn and a drink. It should be quick. Let's get it done and move on to better offers. I'm good. Thank you. You too. Appreciate it. Uber Eats for Stefan? Thank you. Enjoy. I really don't know what's going on tonight. I've been getting offers coming in after that last drop-off. They have not been good. I think I saw 307 for 43 minutes. Absolute trash. The only okay ones were taking me way, way far away. It's getting late. Not interested in those. And then there's the odd trip radar that comes up and I want it. I grab it right away, but denied. Not getting them. It is just not going my way tonight, so I'm going to cut my losses just after 3.5 hours. I'm going to end my night at $53.98. Want, not a good day. But we all know we have these days. They just don't go our way all the time. I really wish it did. I actually wanted double tonight. I was hoping for triple digits. It didn't happen, so I'm going to call it a night. But I'm going to be back tomorrow night, and hopefully it's a better night on Saturday. Saturdays have been pretty good lately, so wish me luck. It's going to be another great Saturday, and I'm going to see you then.